You need to lock the F in if you're going to survive this market. I'm here to tell you what you don't want to hear. I'm not going to feed you with bullshit. I'm going to give you the real deal. This is how I built my ecosystem. I started pulling profits because it was totally unnatural to make that much money in a short amount of time. So I used my logical brain. I pulled profits, and I wish I would have pulled a lot more. Okay, I'd never been through a bear market before. So we got in 2020. We pulled from 2020 to 2021. That's how we invented Merlin, smartest way to track your crypto. And I did what I knew best. As I already had been in business since 2017, I put the money into scaling businesses and creating cash flow and started building dividend stocks. So I created C, cash flow. Okay, we had pulled profits off the table. 2022, this exact sentiment right now, May or June 2026, is exactly the same sentiment as 2022. 2022, crypto came collapsing down 80%, and I was like, wait a minute. I really believe in the XRPs. I really believe in the XLMs, the H bars, and you guys know my portfolio, right? And I went back in and I bought everybody's fear. I'm like, wait a minute. These are good companies at a fair price. And so I went back in 2022 with my cash flow, 2023 in cash flow, 2024, and boom, it skyrocketed when Trump got elected. And guess what I did? I pulled profits again. I put it into my protection, my insurance, okay? Trump announces tariffs in April 2025. Crypto goes sideways, 10/10/2025. Boom, he liquidates 19 billion from the market just by one tweet. And guess what I did? Pulled profits, or I pulled leverage off my family bank, and I bought everybody's fear or everybody's red that made fun of me for selling profits. Here's the thing. The reason why you're panicking is because you don't have a system, okay? You're relying on one crypto, one market to win. That's not how winning is done. You need a system, okay? Remember this, write this down. What you use as retirement, the 1% traded back and forth. So people are panicking now, to be expected. Kevin Warsh is coming in, supposed to be the savior. He's probably gonna keep rates, so that's one factor. Number two is you're in a crypto bear market. We told you guys that. We said Bitcoin's probably going to go down to 40,000 by November because we're in a bear market. People are saying you're in a super cycle. These influencers are predicting this super cycle. It's different this time. No, it's not. It's following the same cycle. And number three, you have an AI market that is skyrocketing right now. So people are like, wait a minute, I'm getting crushed in crypto. So I'm going to pull my Bitcoin and my crypto and I'm going to go and try to catch this pump in the AI market. Well, when that bubble pops, all the liquidity is going to flood back in. So here's how I win. Red, write this down. Red is green, green is red, only if you have conviction. So my top three holdings are XRP by a long shot, Bitcoin, XRP and Bitcoin by a long shot, okay? Solana is number three. Those are my top three holdings. That's all I'm accumulating. I'm buying every single big dip and I dollar cost average in every single day and every single week into Solana, okay? Bitcoin, XRP every day. My top holdings are XRP, Bitcoin, Solana. I still hold WFI. That's my speculative investment. XLM, HBAR, and VeChain. That's it. That's all I hold in crypto. I'm only buying XRP, Bitcoin, Solana. You need to build protection. So relax. Take a deep breath. Be calm. Be stoic. If you're the head of the household, get your shit together spiritually, physically, and financially. We need to lock in, warriors. This is our time. Don't let people fudge you out if you truly believe in it. Warriors, rise. Get your shit together. Let's go.